What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since we made a video, but finding a good video to make can be quite difficult at times, and not having a lot of money, I can't really do expensive things to the car at the moment, but that should change pretty soon. So let's jump into this video. So it's a common issue on the Recaro seats on the Corsa. I won't be able to show you now, I'll show you in a second, but the actual leather seat cover starts to come off, and if you send an email to Recaro, they will send you some free clips. I'll put an email address in the description so you can find it. So yeah, just cover up my address. You get a package like this. Oh, you can't even see it, the light. Yeah, so we're gonna open that, see what's inside. Yeah, hopefully fix these seats, because it is quite annoying. Like, it doesn't really affect you that much because it doesn't affect the seat in a way, but it's kind of one of them things. It's like, no, I just don't want that on my car. So we've got some instructions. Let me bring you up. Right. So it tells you how to fit them or whatever. Oh, and there's something on the back. I have no idea what's going on about there, to be honest. Hopefully this is all we need, because this is saying we need a scraper and a hammer, and I ain't got either of them on me. And then we got a letter from them. See that? Oh, the light's probably not helping here. Dear valued Recaro customer, thank you very much indeed for your contact. We very much regret the sudden issue with our product and are pleased to support. The enclosed instruction how to fix the seat covers in using additional metal clips also attached. This will rectify the issue and hope that you will furthermore enjoy driving your Recaro seats. Again, thank you very much for understanding and support. And then it says it again in French. I don't know, I don't speak French, so yeah, let's crack on and try and fix these seats. I've got my hood up because it's really cold in England at the minute, but this is what I mean. So it comes off like this, which obviously is not something you want, and these are like the little clips they send you to fix it. So where's the instructions? I need to put the camera down at some point to do it, and imagine, but alright. So the thing on the instructions, they tell you how to fix it here, and my issue isn't here, my issue's down here, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix this. I'm pretty sure not one of my videos is going exactly how I planned it to go. Every single time. So I'm assuming that that's to push around. I don't know how well. So you're going to pick up and push around there. Like that. Do I need to put a clip on that? But then it's all down here as well. Oh, you can't see it. It's all here. So obviously, if I'm gonna fix it, I want the whole thing fixed. It's all like, I don't know how I can show this, but yeah, so you got that little plastic bit around the side, and then in there you got that little plastic bit next to the sponge, which I'm assuming this is where that's come off, so it should just pop back on. But getting it to pop back on is going to be another issue, so we'll put the camera down for a minute and we'll have a look at it properly, and then I'll come back. Okay, so here's what I've worked out. I'm pretty sure the scraper and a hammer you might actually need, but this like stitch inside here with the plastic bit there, don't know what you can see, but that's got to go behind this bit of plastic here, and that basically goes all the way down. So it's quite a difficult job, to be honest, but I'm trying to do it. So I'll see if I can set the camera down so you can, there you go, you can actually see what I'm doing now. So this corner bit is probably the easiest bit. That bit goes round there, like that. Can't really see too well on camera. And then you've got to follow it down all the way down to the bottom, and you can see like a bit of stitching like here. I've got to fold all that round and hold it all in place. You need more than 2 hands for this job. For fuck's sake, Recaro. Right, I love you because you make beautiful seats and you fix your issue, you admit to the issue and send 3 clips out to fix it. My God, you could have made it an easier fix. On the pictures as well, they got the seat out of the car. So don't get me wrong, that probably makes it a lot easier. It's almost stood there. But I ain't taking the seat out just to do this. It's a lot of effort. To be fair, it's a lot of effort trying to fix it. Okay, right, I'm going all the way down. And here won't go in, but if I can get the rest of it to stay in, like all up here and here with the clips, then I don't mind that bit there, because you can't really see it anyway. So hopefully, oh, if I touched it and now all this has just popped out. God's sake. They don't make life easy. My legs are killing me. As soon as I let go, it all comes undone down the side. You can see this side. Yeah, all here. Oh, where is it? Here. All comes undone. So annoying. This top bit is alright. This stays firm. I very much just have to be happy with that. So if it stays like that, then I can live with it. Okay, let's try about our first clip on. See what happens. They are painful to put on. They're not really too obvious, to be fair. And that is holding it on there. We can potentially put like another one here. I don't know how easy that'll be, but if we can. Oh, they sent me 6 of those clips. I do need to do the passenger seat as well. And I do need to do the inside side of the driver's seat. That is going to hold it, let's be fair. There is no way that those 2 clips there and there is going to allow that to come off again, even though it's like not on properly here. But here, that's not coming off. So I don't really say this is a tutorial, I'll just say this is like one way of doing it. I've never sat in the back of my car. So, again, this is still the driver's seat. I swore it was coming off on the driver's seat. I'm pretty sure I still have a picture of the driver's seat and it was coming off. Well, never mind, maybe it's not. Oh, it is. It is coming off. I think we'll just put the clips on that side. Just kind of hold it. So I'm going to put a clip there anyway. Oh, hammer's covering the camera. Oops. I don't know what I'm going to do this with a phone in my hand, but yeah. Just to kind of. That's not going on anything. You know what? I'm not too fussed. It's working, that'll do. Alright. Onto the passenger seat. As you can see, I have the exact same issue down the passenger seat. So, I will quickly do that, and then I'll be back. Again, I just copied what I did on the driver's side. So, it's still a bit shit at the bottom, but I found it is the easiest way to do it, and it is going to fix the issue, so I can accept that. Plus, once the seat's back, you can't even see the clips really, so only if you're looking for them. So that's all good. So we'll wrap this video up now. Yeah, that's that. Not the way to do it, but a way to do it, I suppose. I mean, I fixed the issue, but not the way they told me to do it. So, but as long as the issue is fixed, I'm not too fast, and I don't know, I'll probably end up taking this car to its grave. I'll be surprised if I sell this on. So yeah, 2 spare clips out of it, so I'll just chuck them in the glove box, just in case I ever need another one. But yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And yeah, the email address will be in the description, so if you have the same issue as this, you can just email Recaro, say, look, my leather seat covers are coming off, send them a couple of pictures if you want, and yeah, send them your address, and obviously your name, and then they won't get back in touch, they won't send you an email or nothing, but about a week later, they'll send you the clips out. So yeah, thanks for watching, please leave a like, subscribe, peace.